Hello, and I am back home, and I had a crash with my Hubsan 107. Is my second drone is damaged. Second Hubsan. It was a crash from a big high. But I think there's a empty plug under the table. So I have not cleaned the table up. So I think I need to fix it here. In the start of the month I was lucky, I got a very cheap soldering tool. But it's not very good. So this video is just my preparation. This is part 1. It's first time in my life I will solder. I think I have to move this to the window. And I found my micro helicopters last month, so I'll go get my micro screwdriver and I will put batteries back. One of the large one needs to be recharged. So I do that now, and I will go find a plate in my kitchen. I will put my soldering tool. So I don't know which battery it is, so I just have to try. It's 50% chance. This is the right one. And this will be okay. Oh, I will go get a plate in the kitchen. So I will plug the, I think it needs to be warm for, I think a camcorder needs to be like here, but the camcorder is on 1x zoom. So I don't know if you can see anything. I have to look. Yes, we can see the table here. So this could be, I need a better chair, but I can sit here for now. But I have to clean this up later. So it's a big space. And I will plug the soldering tool. I will plug it in here. I think it's a European plug. So we have an empty plug. So I never tried this before, but I will put it here. This is the soldering iron, and this is the black wire. It got broken, so I will start to open the drone. Oh, No, I'm so bad at this, so I'm so bad at tools, so drop a lot of on the floor. But I need my glasses back on to see what I drop, a better I look. Yes, it was one. But I need to look more later. It was one more. I think it was two. I need to change my glasses. So I can smell it's hot. This is smelling, but I think you'll need to be warm for 20 minutes, but it's a bad one. I don't know if you can see it, but there's 3 screws. And I need to buy some, you cannot see it from my hand, okay, I can move my hand a bit. So, but I have a Hubsan 108 with a damaged motor, so I got spare screws. But now this bottom part is off. But I think I will need to take this 2 screws out too, because the wire is on the opposite side. So oops, put it on the plate. So I never tried it, because it's not, of course it costs a bit money, but it's not a very expensive. So I think I need to be careful. So I have to solder the black one back. I can see it here. You can see it down here. I think it's here. I will need to try solder it, but I cannot. Maybe I should take, but I will not take all engine off. But really, I think I should take all engines off. But I will not do it. And but this is only the part 1, so I will relax a bit, and when in 20 minutes, when the soldering tool is hot, I will try solder it. And if not, this have to be spare parts, so I have to buy a new one. So